figured it out na. Smile. Hello guys, we're here at the Bean Park Cafe. Good cheese. Fashion fruit drink. Si Emil. If we had an exchange. Damage for today.
Damage control.
Kasi lumiko-liko pa ako saglit. Pagdating ko, andito lang pala. Kaya nag-reverse walk ako.
Hi guys!
Hi! Ciao, Bella. Bilisissima. Actually guys, sa cafe na nila ini kuman kain na. Dito sila sa Beanstalk, kuman sa Bean Park. Next stop, sa Pinagul na sab kami. Hanapan pa naman siya. Kaya may magtukod. Amen. Happy birthday to Emil. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. By vlog, we will eat that for real, for real.
Si Shearwater and si Hello Rain.
Oh, hindi ka dahil. Special thanks to Judrick.
Special thanks to
For
Judrick.
this tumbler, and special thanks to Irene for this mug.
Yes. For the mug.
And special thanks to Renzo also.
Special
for
thanks to
coaster.
Emil for DS. And special thanks to yours truly for the coaster. Hello. So, I will wash the fleet.
Ready to sleep for work.
Saan mo na ako ninisura na?
Introducing the mid-right underwear from Gigi Amore.
Guys, ako magulidwa yung katas na. Aray.
Ay, for the nag-vlog si Jack.
Rick! ROI natin yan.
Goals kayo nagdako sa akin.
No, di ba? Fantasy.
Hey guys, for the bare face.
Thank you, Judrick.
Lagi.
Kani siya. Since na may RN11, sa period, kung kana, naana yung mga naka-plot count, period 1, no?
Focus na. Okay. Morning. So today, we will buy a white shirt. Tapos magpalitan kita na nagkuhan itlog. Kaya maghimot adobo rice. So this is what we will be working on today. Ay. Basta kay John di ang adobo na kuhan mainom. Mainom? This is ato rice na leftover. Ito maigo pa. And then kanap pasta. Leftover. Ay, may garlic pa ba dyan? Okay, so di na mo pa yung garlic. Anyway, yun lang. So, I will see you later. Sleeping Beauty, guys.
Yung compress, pwede mo ito. For the tightening of.
Back to Honolulu.
Naana siya sa highway.
just to get that outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. We are going to Vietnam.
Yes, we're off to Vietnam.
We are lost. We are lost in Vietnam.
We are lost and found.
We are lost in translation. We are in Mesa Verde. We are supposedly going to the Nazareth
We're
Spirit.
supposed to go to Vietnam, but we're stuck in the Philippines.
So this is Vietnam. We are in Vietnam. Tayo ay sumakse. Coffee is here. Bakshi, I think. And then kami kay egg. Egg coffee drink.
How was the...
No.
Hello guys, so we are here at nandito po kami. Nandito po ang aming team sa Lone Wolf. So I ordered the Spanish latte.
Can I say hi to the vlog? Hi vlog! We're back here at Lone Wolf.
Back here sa Lone Wolf.
Hi.
Hi vlog me.
Hi, Rizal.
It's just like seeing her. Na, daman na sila kung
It's just
pinakabuyan.
like seeing an
For the shadow is the girl niya.
Basta ka imong kid mo ka, sure?
For the Orochimaru tayo tayo. And sour.
Uy, di ako mo. Oh, hindi ka. Mga rad. Uy, John, nagisod sa piti.
Nakita na ito ang
John, nagisod sa piti.
Oh my God.
Kadalira. Kutong kang. Kadalira.
Ang inyong kailang magfete man.
Siko!
Uy, kaludi. Wait sa.
Go to...
Thank you, man. Congrats, Koki. Congrats, Cox. Congrats, Merlin. Bay, jati.
Maria Aleska Merlin, congratulations to you.
Kana, ito na. Number 766.